Welcome to Lesson 1.4 from FilmUnreal.com. In this lesson, we'll be taking a closer look at the menu system, which consists of 7 different sections: the menu bar, main toolbar, level viewport, content drawer button, bottom toolbar, outliner, and details panel. If you don't already have Unreal Engine 5 open from the previous course, go ahead and load it. Pause this video if you need some time for shaders to compile. The menu bar. The menu bar is located at the top of the Unreal Engine editor. It provides access to editor-specific commands and functionality, such as opening and saving files, setting project preferences, and accessing help documentation. The menu bar is divided into several different menus, including File, Edit, Window, Tools, and more. Main Toolbar. The main toolbar is located below the menu bar and contains shortcuts for some of the most common tools and editors in Unreal Engine. It also includes shortcuts to enter play mode, run your game inside Unreal Editor, and to deploy your project to other platforms. Level Viewport. The Level Viewport is the main area of the Unreal Engine editor where you can view and manipulate the contents of your level. This includes cameras, actors, static meshes, and more. You can use the Level Viewport to move, rotate, and scale objects in your scene, as well as to select and manipulate their properties. Content Drawer Button. The Content Drawer button is located on the left side of the editor, and it opens the content drawer when clicked. The content drawer is a window that provides access to all of the assets in your project. You can use the content drawer to browse, organize, and import assets, as well as to create new ones. Bottom Toolbar. The bottom toolbar is located at the bottom of the editor and contains shortcuts to the command console, output log, and derived data functionality. It also displays the source control status of your project. You can use the bottom toolbar to access these tools and view important information about your project. Outliner. The outliner is a window that displays a hierarchical tree view of all content in your level. It shows the parent-child relationships between objects in your scene, as well as their names and types. You can use the outliner to select and manipulate objects in your scene, as well as to organize and group them. Details panel. The Details panel appears when you select an actor in the Level Viewport. It displays various properties for that actor, such as its transform, position in the level, static mesh, material, and physics settings. The Details panel is context-sensitive, meaning it displays different settings depending on what you select in the Level Viewport. You can use the Details panel to fine-tune the properties of an actor in your scene. One other tip to mention: if you prefer the old layout of Unreal Engine 4, you can switch to that by going to Window, Load Layout, EU4 Classic Layout. This keeps the content browser opened instead of minimized, and it will open up a new section called Place Actors on the left. You can try the 2 layouts and see what works best for you. Let's take a quick look at Place Actors. Place Actors is a quick way to drag and drop any actors into your environment. You can add lights, shapes, cameras, post-process volumes, and much more. We go over these actors more in the beginner's course. Now would be a good time to pause the video and take a look around the interface to get more familiar with it. That's it for this lesson. In the next lesson, we will go further into the content browser. I'll see you in the next one. If you found this content useful, please give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.